Good morning, everyone. It is around 9:45 on Sunday, May 8th. I'm coming to you from just outside my home in Goyang, South Korea. I have been able to do what I wanted to do all weekend, more or less, which was just rest and relax. Thankfully, my daughter has been with my mother-in-law. So yesterday, Saturday, I just was at home all day, resting and relaxing. It's the first Saturday in a very long time where I had nothing to do. I was just lying around home all day and watched a couple movies, caught up on some TV shows that I watch. My body's feeling pretty good. My lower back is still pretty wrecked from Friday's training. I don't think I'll be squatting tomorrow, but I will go in and bench. I feel good. I feel rested. I took a nap yesterday for the first Saturday in a really long time. I didn't have anything to do, which was really nice. I haven't been able to do that in a while. I have a full week of lectures coming up. My midterms are all finished, and so I just was able to kind of mentally recharge and physically rest up. Today I'm going to meet some friends in the Hongdae area of Seoul and have some coffee and eat some of my favorite food, which is American barbecue. I'll be filming while I'm there just to show you that area of Seoul, which is a pretty cool place. It's an area where a lot of young people, like in their 20s and 30s, hang out. There's lots of restaurants and coffee shops and bars, so hopefully I'll be able to give you guys a little look into life in Seoul. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video and are enjoying a nice weekend. It's about 10:30. I walked around 4,000 steps or so. About ready to go. My motorcycle's behind my shoulder, warming up at the moment. The motorcycle has appeared in several of my other videos. I can give thanks to my brother for introducing me to riding motorcycles. I started in 2005, and like many things in my life, I can thank him for bringing that into it. I love riding. I plan on riding for the rest of my life. I've already looked at some motorcycles to hopefully get after moving back to the United States. The Hongdae area is about a 20-minute ride from my home. It's a beautiful day today. It's 21 degrees Celsius. That's just about 70 degrees Fahrenheit right on the dot. So looking forward to a nice, warm, breezy ride into the city. Stay tuned. I've had pretty tremendous luck. This is my first red light of the ride. About halfway there. What a day. I've arrived at Sangsu Station. The road behind me leads to the Hongdae area where the bars and the clubs and the restaurants and coffee shops all are. My friends are a little bit late, so I have a little bit of time to chill. Right here is the intersection at Sangsu subway station. There's a Starbucks right over there where I'll go and meet them. It's pretty loud here.
야채 종류 계속 리필 가능하고 빵은 드시면 1회만 무료 리필 가능합니다.
네, 알겠습니다.
This is a Chuki Beat production.
Lunch is finished and I'm on my way back home, but walking by, they're filming something for a TV show or a movie. It's kind of cool. I'm back here at my bike, getting ready to head on home. Lunch was a big success. Chillin and Jian had never eaten American Southern barbecue before, and they both loved it. So really glad that that worked out and lunch wasn't a bust. I am at my wife's workplace. Gonna just drop by and say hi. Do not attempt to do that at home. That was very stupid for multiple reasons. One of them being that the first time that I took my phone out, I almost dropped it. The other, of course, is safety. But it was fun. Gonna go say hi to the wife now. On the sofa, it's about 4 p.m. Had a fun day out. Gonna just hang out here with my cat Ash and just chill for the rest of the afternoon. Today in South Korea is Parents' Day, so I'm gonna go back into Seoul a little bit later with my wife and have dinner with her mom and dad and pick up our daughter Aileen. And that's it for this relaxing Sunday. Thanks for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up and write your comments in the comment box below. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next training video.